Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this lesson, I'll be teaching you how to install Python and add and make Python because from now on I'm gonna stop doing Scratch because my videos have started becoming repetitive and I want to create something new. So let's get started. First, we'll go into our browser, if it's Google Chrome or Edge or Firefox or whatever it is. Now you type Python download. Now we go into the official Python website, python.org. Okay? Now we open the Python website and we click to download the latest version for Windows, Python 3.12.4. Wait until it downloads and open file. And we'll install here. We'll just click that. Now it starts to download. Let's just wait for a while. We'll just wait for a while. Oops. I'll just open this one. I'll delete this. Wait. So it's already installing here. We'll just X out the other ones. Okay, it's almost done. Well, let me tell you guys some stuff like while it's downloading. So basically Python's like a programming language where like you can type like all this code and like it outputs stuff. You can do basic stuff like printing stuff and writing messages, or you can go to the advanced stuff where you like say like where you like make a game or even like programs or stuff. Well, I'll explain to you when I open the app, I'll explain a bit more. Now that the setup was successful, yours might not like be ready yet, so if it's ready, just like yeah, just follow me. If it's not, pause this video, and when it's ready, resume the video and come back. Okay. Now that we click close, we'll check if it's there. I have another Python 3.11, but now I have this Python. We'll just click modify, next, and then install. And then it says modify was successful. So now we'll open Python 3.12. Wait. Yeah, Python 3.12. We'll check the update. 3.12.4. Okay. The 3.12.4 is there. Now I'll teach you guys some basic code, like some stuff we can do. So we can like, if you want to like output a message, type print and then type a parentheses and put quotes and then say hello world. There. Now that we entered that, we'll put another bracket at the end and click the parentheses. Now we click enter, see what it outputs, hello world. Now I'll tell you about what happens if you don't like put the brackets or don't like put the parentheses or don't put the quotes. Let's just start with the quotes. So if you don't put the quotes in, the code won't print. I'll write it and prove it. See, there's a syntax error, so yeah, you can't do that. Now it will also not work if you forget the parentheses. See, it won't work. So let me open a new file to make it like better. Let me just like wait, PowerShell's open. I just open my Python again. Okay, now let me tell you about variables. We'll type the variable x equals d, like x equals hello var. Okay, wait, I accidentally clicked enter. I'll just copy paste it. X equals hello. We can put brackets again. Hello world. You don't need to like add the brackets this time or parentheses. Just like put the quotes. And then we'll go enter print X. We'll just do what we were supposed to. Wait, let me just like copy paste this. So let's just type it again. X equals hello world. Let's just test this and then print X. And I forgot, you don't put like brackets, cause if you do put brackets, it'll think you're writing the letter X, not the variable. So let's test it. Wait, I forgot something. Just like X equals, let's just type hi. Okay, now print X. Now see, okay, something's wrong. Let me just like go in Python again. Just type like X equals hi. Wait, we'll just type X here, put equals hi, like that. Now we'll put print X. Okay, so this is not working. It was something related to this, so let's just like do if else. Like one more. Like like if x, maybe like sample 1 equals 5, then wait, let me just like show you one more thing that is simpler. It's easier. I'll just type print 5 plus 3. See? If you put like brackets, it would type like literally say 5 plus 3. I won't say 8. Now let me show you another thing. Let's use order of operations and see what happens. Print 3 plus 4. And for division, you use this, the slash. And for multiplication, you use the asterisk sign or the star. And according to our our rules of operation, 4 times 5 is 20, and then it should be 23. If you do it wrong, then the 3 plus 4 equals 7 times 545 is wrong. The correct answer should be 23. Now let's test it. See, it even follows order of operations rules. Now let me show you one more thing before we go. Let's type print 0 divided by 0. It's like one of the trick laws in math, like 0 divided by 0. Anything divided by 0, because any number like if you do it reverse, it'll say how many zeros can fit in a number. It's infinity. Now let's enter, see what happens. See, it's the 0 division error. You can't do that. Okay, so I guess that's it. By the way, you can also do like very large numbers. So I'll show one more, like literally one more. I won't do any more. Maybe like 89099. Wait, let's just like do 99999 plus 987654321. Put parentheses. Look, it even does it. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed today's lesson, our new lesson about Python. And every week I'll keep adding more of these videos. I'll put more harder stuff, and every time we learn more stuff, I'll teach you new methods and tricks and lines of code we can use. And one more thing, we can make projects once we learn the basics and intermediates of Python. Okay, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in our next Python episode.